Today we're going to talk about how to create a new plan within SalesCookie. So go to plans, add a plan. You're going to land on so let's say I'm going to call it a sample plan. You have to choose the frequency. So we are within our plan wizard that'll walk you through some quick, easy choices to set up a plan. You choose the frequency that you want to run the plan. So say it's a one-off or a bi-weekly. Just choose one time and make sure when you run calculations, you select the right dates. The next quick question is this tracking performance of individuals or team territory? The next quick question is, okay, who does this plan apply to? In most cases, you probably have a tag on your user. So say I'm going to say this plan applies to sales managers. The next key question is, what is the performance metric? Is it revenue sales based? Is it profit based? Is it scoring based? So for today, I'm going to say let's base it on revenue. I'm going to choose raw value, which means default or actual values. And we can start with one attainment level, but it's as easy as adding as many levels as you want and just hitting delete if you don't want those. And then you can see right now it's set to fixed revenue, but we can very easily change it to be a quota-based plan. We can build in accelerators. If you have quota carrying reps, you would choose the third option. It's a custom property that we define, and that custom property would then get set on all your reps or the reps that are part of this particular plan. And this particular plan would then go say rep A, how did they do against their quota and so forth. But let's go back to the really simple example. I'm going to just say, okay, the first year, they don't get any reward till they get to 5,000. And once they hit 5,000 in revenue, they're going to get a reward. And here you can see all our choices in terms of rewarding a rep. And the advantage is we've separated crediting of transactions from rewarding. So what that means is it's a revenue-based plan, but you're not obligated to pay % of revenue. You could do a cash reward, you could do a % of salary, whatever you want. So let's just say I'm going to give them a cash reward. And at the 5,000 level, it's as simple as it's $100. And then let's go look at next screen. So right now it's a really simple plan. I can create a draft and I can also check my plan. And what that does is the system will auto-generate a plan description back of the napkin. I want to make sure the plan makes sense. I can explain it. So it's a one-time plan, measures individual performance of all sales managers. Performance are based on revenue. 2 levels. When individual revenue is greater than 5,000, they get a cash reward of 100. So if I'm in agreement, I go ahead and create my draft, and there you have it. Now it's set in draft mode. We can go through the various tabs, make more changes, and once we're comfortable, we can activate that plan. So thanks for watching.